Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to sign up to Roblox. First, navigate to the official Roblox website or download the free app on your device. You will then need to provide your birth date, create a unique username, and set a strong, secure password. After that, select your gender, which is optional, and finally click the Sign Up button to proceed. It's a straightforward process, taking only a few moments. After entering your details, you'll encounter a quick security verification puzzle. This essential step is designed to confirm you are a real person and not an automated bot, enhancing the safety and integrity of the platform for all users. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the puzzle, which usually involves a simple drag-and-drop or image selection task. This ensures a secure environment for your gaming experience. When the zipper teeth have completely separated, locate the exact point of separation. Pinch the fabric on both sides of the zipper teeth together very firmly, bringing the teeth as close as possible. While maintaining this pinch, slowly pull the slider upwards. This action helps the slider re-engage and interlock the teeth. You might need to repeat this a few times to get all the teeth to connect correctly. To ensure a safe and enjoyable experience, always use a unique and complex password for your account. Never share any personal information, like your real name or address, with other users. For younger players, it's highly recommended to utilize the robust parental controls available, offering peace of mind. Remember, staying vigilant and informed helps maintain a positive and secure environment for everyone on Roblox.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.